another haul video for you today. And just as a really quick update, you guys know I talked about this Amani wig last month, and I have been wearing the wig ever since then. I ain't gonna lie, I don't even comb it. Like, I might have combed it twice in this whole month. And true enough, it is tangled, okay? In the back, in the bike, it's tangled. It's like all get out back here. But the curl pattern is, you know, actually kind of still standing up. So if I wanted to try to revive this wig, I could, if I wanted to. But I just think it's time to kind of just throw her away. And also I got a shake and go wig. Like, I've never done a shake and go. This particular unit, it has a lace part, but it's not a lace front, and it's a drawstring in the back, okay? So this is the brand. It's the Freetress, the equal 100% hand tied premium freedom lace part wig. Okay, it was $59.99, but that's only because I went inside of the beauty supply store and got this unit. If you go to Sam's, you can get this, I think, for like $41 or something like that. So this is how she looks. This is the curl pattern. And the cap is like that stocking cap feel. So it's like it feels like you're putting like a dress sock on your head, okay? This is, I don't know, can you see this part? That's the part. That's the parting space. And in the back is the drawstring, and it has several combs in here. So, you know, it's pretty secure. So I'll just show you how it looks like just put on without anything done to it. So this is how she looks just straight out the pack without anything done to it. Something about the curls, like how it comes forward on the face. I don't know. I would have to play with this, but I have already tried it on before, and you'll see in this video, like, I'm gonna turn this wig around. So the front will be in the back, and then I'm gonna put it up in a ponytail for my try-on, because for one, I'm trying on some sequin items, and I don't want this like to constantly be sticking to it. But anyway, it's a cute wig. I went to go buy Amani again, and they didn't have it, so they didn't have anything. I was just like, you know what, and I didn't want to risk not getting my unit on time through the mail, so that's the only reason why I sacrificed and paid full price for this wig. But I mean, you know, it's cute for what it's worth, and I don't know how long it'll last, but we'll see. Anyway, we're gonna jump right into the haul, and hopefully you like these items. I will link the items below as well, and also if you have any of these items, feel free to comment below, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thank you for watching. So this is the Freetress 302 wig. All I did was turn it around and just throw it up in a ponytail so I can do the try on. And I might try to actually do an updo on New Year's Eve when I wear my dress, but I think I might do a bun. I'm not even sure yet. But anyway, so on to the try on. Okay, you guys, so this t-shirt is from Forever 21, and it's a scripture t-shirt. 1 Corinthians 16 and 14, do everything in love, okay? Trying to stay covered in the word around here, okay? So it's not like super long, but it hits like right at the waist. But you all know I'm probably gonna tie mine up because I like the little crop. Okay, so this is the shirt. If you do like a little knot in it, you know, it just makes it like a little more fitted if that's what you want to do. But yeah, stay covered in the word, girl. This gray leopard cardigan, which is so nice and soft, I love it, came from Torrid. It does have pockets. Yep, I got this from Torrid during Black Friday, because the original price on it I think is $100, $99. or something. But anyway, I got it for 40% off. And I just, usually I don't do the whole animal print thing, but every now and then I'll get a piece that's animal print because I love the way that it looks and feels. And I just feel like you could throw this on with anything. You could put on, honestly, you could throw it on with anything. So I just felt like, you know, just for like a nice day where it's kind of cool outside, you don't need a coat, you don't feel like wearing a bomber, you know, you could just throw this on with a t-shirt, tank top, bandeau, whatever you want to do, and be on your way. Like, it's literally, now I wouldn't have paid $100. I'm gonna let you know that now. Like, I would not have paid $100 for this. But the quality on it is really nice. The length of the sleeves on it is really nice. And yeah, so just something to have. So this top came from Forever 21, and it's like a, I guess, tab crop top. It's really cute, and I feel like you can, you know, if you wanted to just wear this with like a boot or a heel, then of course you can wear whatever bottoms you want, skirt, pants, or whatever. But I just thought the color of it was real nice. It's really comfortable on the skin. This is a piece that you could just wear anytime with kind of like, you know, anything. Like if you want to look a little dressy but not too dressy. But I just feel like the color on here is so pretty. Like, I don't know, y'all, it just, ooh, it just does something to me. And also, guys, I picked up these heels, these snakeskin heels from like this like boutique type store in the city. Y'all see like the metallic, you know, design in it. It's cute, right? And I was like, I already had a shoe to go with this top that I bought some years ago, but I just think this will be so cute with this, y'all. Can you see these shoes? I'm too far away, I think. I think I'm too far. I don't know how to get a closer view of the whole thing. You guys, don't mind my toenails. These are the shoes. And while we are on the subject of shoes, I got these little cute leopard shoes from Torrid. Original price on these $39.90. I got them in a size 9 because their shoes run wide. I wear a 10, but since their shoes run wide, I got a 9. But usually I get the 9 in like open toe shoes or sandals. But a 9.5 would have been perfect because I just still like to have like extra spacing. But the 9 still fit, okay? So if you are ordinarily a 10 and you get your shoes in a 9, you can pull a 9 off in these. I don't even know if they had half sizes, but a 10 would have been way too big. You know, I think these are super cute. They're uber comfortable, I can tell you that right now. And like I said, the size 9 is like a perfect fit. So from Torrid, I got these Corset. They kind of give you like a combat boot feel. But then in the back you have like this corset design. Also, again, you know, Torrid always runs some kind of a sale. These originally are $99.90, and I do get all my boots in the 10 at Torrid. Those I do get in the 10. But anyway, it's just like a nice material, gives you like that leathery vibe. Like almost like a grungy, but still kind of glamorous feel. So, I like these. At first I didn't like them because I felt like they go a little too skinny at the ankle. And I guess that's like part of the corset design. But I was like, they seem to go a little too skinny at the ankle. I don't know. But as far as the look and as far as like comfortability, I would give these an 8. I feel like they will last for a really long time because they're very sturdy and very heavy. And then these little cute little boots, I got from Forever 21. Are comfortable, and this is like perfect for like the top of fall or like spring, and then even like your summer nights when it's kind of like cooler outside, so you can get a lot of wear through the year with these combat boots. And I feel like you can dress it however you want. If you want to wear it with a dress, you can. If you want to just, you know, like just whatever you're in the mood for. Like they have like a little like gaping going on in the front. I don't know if you can see that or not. Nothing that I can't live with, you know, but maybe I can lace these a certain way that it won't do that. I'm not sure, but anyway, it's like you walking on clouds. So these are like very, very, very comfortable. I'm always buying my leggings from Torrid, so I don't need to try these on. I actually already have on a pair, except for, wait, these I got in a 1. So I usually go between a 1 and a 2. It just depends, and I did pick way back up, so I probably should have stuck with my usual 2. So these are the 2. So the 1, they're just gonna like pull you in more. But since they're so stretchy, you can go between a 1 and a 2 and be okay. So y'all know like this organza stuff is in now, okay? So I went ahead and got this cute little blouse. So I was like, okay, it's cute. And it gives you plenty of room in the arm, which is what I like. Also, it's 2 buttons at the neck. So that's how you get in and out of this. And it's very stretchy. You know, it feels like it's so light and airy, like it feels like you're not wearing anything. That's how comfortable this is. And as you can see, it has sparkle. I don't know if y'all can see the sparkle. So it's cute. Like you could wear this with like a cute little skirt, or you know, like however you want to do it. Okay, it's cute. It's airy. It feels like nothing is on, so you'll have like a lot of comfort. Yeah, I just thought it was a cute piece to have, and it's black. Okay, guys, so I got these little cargo leatherette pants from Forever 21. They are noisy. I don't know if you can hear that. That might drive me up a wall. And this is the length. They come down kind of long, but I'm going to scrunch them up because I don't like them all the way down to the ankle. And probably wear with like a chunk heel. And yeah, you know, I think they're cute and they're comfortable. They're just noisy. Like, girl, why these pants so loud? They know thick girls thighs rub, so I don't know why they would have it to where the material is like constantly making noise. It makes no sense to me. You got plenty of room in the stomach, okay? Barely enough room though to come up over the butt if I would have got a 2. This got even kind of cute with this. It's kind of cute, you know. Do what you want. Do what you feel. Look how you feel you want to look. You know what I mean? Okay, like, y'all. So I feel like I'm ready to party. I should have got this dress in a 2X because it's giving me a few gapping issues and everything, and it's not really like I really wanted this dress to like cinch. I don't have on shapewear right now or anything, but you know, I could have went down. It's a lot of extra space. Just by looking at, see, like even here, that gapping, it's a lot of extra space in this dress. I wasn't really crazy that the ruching came all the way down the sleeves, because I don't know if you can see that ruching detail, you know, because I'm like, look, I ain't trying to look like Michelin Man and Sequin now, but I'll work with it. I'm gonna work with it. Like, I feel like the day of, I just play with it some, and you know, I don't know, I'm gonna pull it together. But I do think it's a cute little party dress, you know, just period. Like, it's a cute party dress, I'm not gonna lie, but I am not really satisfied with the sizing. And then maybe that's just what the main problem is. I don't know if it's an issue of like some stitching thing going on. And like, to me, like the sleeves, this should be up some. Like, this should be more, like more ruched at the top. Like, that's why I got it, so. And then this is like some type of like, it gives you the illusion that it's like a belt on here, but it's not. I hope that you all like all of my items. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And check the description box for any information that you might have missed or that I might have missed in this video. Check the description box, and again, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. You know what? I ain't gonna even front. I'm taking this dress back because it's just, look, it's just big. It's just, everywhere is big. It's just overly big. Like, I just look like big fabric piece. Big piece of fabric. I don't like, you know, because I had already tried dress on once before, and I wasn't even gonna, I was like, I shouldn't even do a haul because I don't like it. You know, but then I was like, I'm gonna try it on again, see what I think in the video. But no, it's just like, it's no grab. All this is just loose. Everything just loose. All this puckering in the back, loose. It's not cinching in the waist. Like, you know, but I feel like even if I would have went down a size, it's still like, to me, some construction, you know, issues going on. So it just looks nothing like what I expected. I was just gonna work on it because I'm, you know, like kind of pressed for time, but it ain't that deep. I can't walk around just looking like some big piece of global fabric tossed up. That's not me. And so yeah, I will have to return this. I just will have to return this because I honestly feel even if I would have gotten the size down, it's still like some, when I just like really look at the dress and observe it, it's like some construction issues going on. So yeah, not this one. But anyway, I thank y'all for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.